Sometimes people will say that Tangana Zulu vote work, but it did not work for Thandeka. She was just over 1% shy away from winning, which means that something did not go according to the plan. Hi, welcome back. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Do you think that the Zulu votes in South Africa, they matter more than any other vote? I'm going to talk about the winners of Big Brother, Mick Jr., Sweet Guluva, and the runner-up, Thandeka. One thing that I've realized is that when people were going into Big Brother season, people will be complaining that we know that this is Big Brother Zulu, it's not Big Brother Mzansi. Each and every year, a Zulu guy who pretend or who act to be a better Zulu will win at the end of the day, and then after that they will just leave and not give us any content after the show. But this year things did not go as planned as what people will speculate. But my thing is that that is not the truth, guys. Zulu votes, they do have an impact, because the truth is that majority of people living in South Africa are Zulu people. If this was like Big Brother UK, maybe a white person will win because English people are in UK. You know what I mean? But the thing is that if we're gonna equate people's winner to a tribal war, then we are Sweet Guluva and Mick Jr. When they come into Big Brother house, obviously the home base, which are Zulu people, will support them because of that. It's loyalty. I will not support if there's a fight between Limpopians and Zulu people. I will just first support my own people, and then I'll go to the Zulu if I see where my people are just being weird or mean. You know what I mean? But the core base being Zulu people, and then due to their personality and how they show themselves, you remember that Sweet Guluva and Mick Jr., they never wanted to polarize themselves. They were always neutral in the situation, which made them easier to connect with other fan bases. When people are leaving, the neutral fan bases that are left, they join the group that is neutral. They don't join the one who was against their faith, the one who was against so and so. If we're being honest, they were just neutral. They have their own fan base, and then the neutral fan base, which is the one that I believe that it will win you the title of Big Brother. They joined them and voted for them. The core or the fan base that is your own fan base will keep you in the house until the last day, which is day 72 or day 90, depending on how that season has been planned out. Why? It's because she's a polarizing figure. Thandeka has those who love her and those who hate her. There's no in between. There's no I'm neutral. Hence, she did not win. That's the reason she did not win, to be honest. If we are looking at it, right, when other people are being evicted, King Wanda being evicted, they join Lilies. Nectar's Nellies are being evicted, they join Lilies. Whoever is getting evicted, they join Lilies, not Thandeka. It was only advocates, maybe them, they say, let's vote for our sister-in-law. You see where this is going. So to say that the Zulu vote is the one that decides, I think it's wrong, because we know that Big Brother goes beyond borders of South Africa. We have people from Botswana, Haiti, and then we have people from Namibia, from Nigeria, Uganda, Kenya, you name them, they are watching Big Brother Mzansi. The most important thing that you need to do is to build on the current fan base that you have. The first fan base that you go into Big Brother is your core fan base. They will make sure that you stay in the house. But that neutral watchers of Big Brother that love Big Brother, they will win you the crown. You have to win their hearts also. But once you become polarizing, it's so and so. It's not easy to be saved. You will get close to it, but not really get it. So, do you think that the Zulus are the most powerful voters in Big Brother Mzansi, or people are just over exaggerating and overestimating their powers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. I'll see you tomorrow with another video. I like to thank you for being patient with me when I could not do a sit down, but we are back. I don't know until when schoolwork has been very hectic, and yeah, goodbye. I love you guys, and I love each and every comment, the bad, the hate. Drag me if you can, but I enjoy it. So yeah, goodbye.